Hello everyone, today in this video we will discuss how to temporarily disable fingerprint on Samsung Galaxy A57. Let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on security and privacy. After click on security and privacy, scroll down and click on screen lock and biometrics. Enter your phone pin. Click on continue. After click on continue, so you will see click on fingerprints. After click on fingerprints, you will see fingerprint unlock is here. If you want to temporarily disable fingerprints, so turn off this button. After turn off this button, go back to home screen. You will see temporary fingerprint is disabled. So that's how you can temporarily disable fingerprints on Samsung Galaxy A57. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.